Hey y'all, welcome back. I am coming on to do a layout to play along with Christy's Beautiful Life 30 Days of Sketches, series 12 from June. And I'm going to work with a sketch from day 29. Let me show you what I have here. Now this is a double page sketch. I'm going to do it as a single. We have a title up here, kind of a repeating element here, so a diagonal. And it looks like border strips, torn bits, whatnot, and blocks here. So this is one of these sketches that would be really great if you have a ton of photos, quite frankly. So we'll see how this goes. So I'm going to kind of like let this side inspire me and see where it takes us with what I have. So I'm using a kit from the Scrap Room. It was from November 2022, and it's all kinds of bits that I have left from Paige Evans. It was Paige Evans Garden Shop, and I used it and used it and used it, as you can see. Like, there's just stuff stuck. So chances are I'm just going to use it up. Now, I do not have a full-size piece of paper to go with this. Luckily enough, though, the last project I did had a full-size sheet of white cardstock left. So I'm going to go ahead and just grab that. The photo I'm going to use here, it's a throwback photo of my two girls. We are out at Fogler's, which is a farm, and they have a big hay bale. They have pumpkins, pumpkin patch, the whole thing. So don't they look cute? And obviously this guy was gorgeous and beautiful, and it was a nice day. That's my whole story. So let's see. In this piece, we have a big title kind of deal here. I'm wondering if I should just get out to start my 3.5 inch punch. It's a rather large punch, right? And my thoughts are, before I get in a situation and I don't have enough pieces to work with, I might as well go ahead and punch some stuff out. So if I have these two pieces, like this, and then let me grab my scallop punch, because you guys see how there's kind of a scallop there. Hold on, I am grabbing it. I have a 2.25 inch scallop punch, because these two elements on the sketch looked kind of layered. So let's go ahead and do the same thing. Do I want to use this on it or these sweet birdies? I've got this really pretty stuff right here with these birds. I think the birds. And I want to make sure to get in. So that will take care of, oh, look at that cute little birdie. There we go. So that will take care of kind of that layered bit that's in the sketch, right? Now, we've got pieces that are supposed to go down here. Do I have anything kind of long? Guys, I do not have much of this stuff left at all. So there's a bunch of layered stuff here. What I think I might do is cut out some pieces and into strips, pretty much because I don't have a lot of anything. And I'm going to just get some 2-inch strips and see where it takes me now going up. I really like this pinky side, so I'm going to do that with this as well. There we go. So that will be a good piece up here somewhere. And I'm going to keep going with that. Now, I think I want to distress them, maybe put a little bit of tangled thread, all of that kind of stuff to make it interesting. Ooh, I'll have some good wordy bits on that one. Oh, look at these polka dots. So let's do these polka dots in a 2-inch strip and see if that will work. Guys, I do not have much left. Okay, let me go ahead, create these strips. Is that about the right size? That's fine. Scuff them up a little bit, do all of that stuff, and I'll meet you right back here. No, if I told you guys, I do also have partial half of a sticker sheet and tons and tons and tons of die cuts. I mean, I'm looking at the scraps that I have left, and yeah, I feel pretty good that I killed this off. Although I can use some of these wordy bits. Ooh, happy and love our time together. I can use those. And guys, like there's so little left on here, but I think it's great. So I'm going to put this to the side so I have that. Anyway, so what I'm going to do is see what I can use. I'm going to need a title, and the title is supposed to go up into this one. And I've got Thankful, I've got Gather. I kind of like Thankful considering it's my girls. That's super pretty. Oh guys, look, that's another little scallopy piece and I didn't even mean to do that. I wonder, because I don't need the pie, wonder if I can put that right there and then I will have that like bright oranginess. That's going to be a little more dramatic and I didn't even, how cool is that? Or maybe I saw it and didn't realize I saw it. All right, that's kind of cool. So I have that. So I definitely want to get something with, you know, that metallic up there. And at this point, I want to use as many of these die cut ephemera pieces as I absolutely can. Kindness Grows Here. That's so pretty. And my favorites, these are my favorite daughters. It's totally true. Yes, my only daughters, in case you're wondering. You are doing great. So I've got all kinds of pieces. Home Sweet Home does not work. Gather Together kind of works. Always Smiling. Yeah. Look at the little puppy. I like the little puppy. Well, that's going on there. Just because I like puppies. Oh, and the little birdhouse. That makes no sense with the puppies. So Gather Together is kind of cute for right now. Kindness Grows Here is super sweet. Guys, I have a lot of these pieces. I'm just going to go through them. Now, I'm loving all the florals. Look at this beautiful piece with this honey on it. Oh, that's cute. Now, guys, I have a ton of patterns here. So the tricky part will be getting pieces on here and having them show up enough because there's a lot going on. Ooh, I like that. And we can have our little doggy in front of that piece. All right, so what I'm saying is I'm going to build and build and build and see how many of these gorgeous pieces I can get on here. And I'll be back in a minute. Y'all, clearly I had a lot of die cuts and I still have a lot. Like, guys, look at, I still have a lot. But I went off, I did, and I thought it was super fun. Guys, look at how pretty these leaves are and they've got some of this metallic on them. So I'm going to, from the sticker sheet, gather up any of the leaves that are on here. Oh, I would have liked those hearts. It looks like I liked them at some point too. I'm going to put the leaves on and that will be that from the product, right? I want to see if I have any flair that I can tuck in that will work. And then we will go over to the bingo card. All right, so I did find some super cute flair from Scrappin Happy Studio. It's there and there. Totally works for fall stuff. And I love those cute little dime size flair. So let's see. I only have a single photo. Let me see if I have any of those itty bitty puffy stars left. Guys, I have used them up. I have one star. So we're gonna pass on stars. That's so funny. My goal was to try to get some of that stuff really used and it worked. Stickers. I have all kinds of stickers on here. Enamel dots. Okay. Let's see if any of the ones that I have in my little bin will work. I have dark blue, no. I have very red, no. Nope. Okay. Let's see what's in this other bin of enamel dots. Ooh. I've got this color. Nope. But this peachy color will totally work, and so will this teal. So let's go ahead. Well, I mean, where do I want these? Maybe down here, because I also want to put some up here. And then I'll put some right here. Okay. Then this teal color will totally work. That's awesome. And I can put some here. I can put some here. Great. This aqua color will work too. How awesome is that? So I love it, guys, to do this like little separation of like I'm trying to just use these flair or these blah 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 or these enamel dots or these puffies. So many more of them get used up if you have a small little bit than if you have like all of your enamel dots. I don't know. It's a total thing. Fussy cutting. I did not fussy cut anything. Wood veneer. Don't really. wait, I do have some leafy wood veneer. Let me see if I can just tuck some in, just a couple. I have got these kind. And I also have, what are these leafy wood veneer? Oh, these are kind of nice too. These might look more of like a nice solid because I have got so many patterns that wouldn't hurt to calm a little bit down. And go like that. That would be fine. And then maybe like this sticking out here. And then finally over here maybe. Okay, I'll pop those wood veneer down. Great. Let's see, what else do we have? Circles. I have the Flair, that's great. I don't have numbers. I have more than a double border on my photo. Sequins. I might be able to get some sequins in here. Let's see which ones I have. I have a bunch of sequins here from, ooh, I kind of like those white ones from Shimmer's Paints, and I've just been kind of concentrating on them. I can do the white and yellow sequins. I'll do those in a minute. I do have a single photo. I don't have chipboard or vellum. I have Flair. Pre-made title is Gathered Together. Don't have a rainbow. I have lots of florals, foam and puffy. Let's see if any of these little pretty bits will go. Actually, that hot pink and the light pink totally work. You know what? I want to use up these three liney ones. So let's go ahead and look at this liney color. It's kind of a citron color. I'm just going to go ahead and get them in a few places. Not a big deal. And then next, I want to look at this hot pink. And then I will put some of this hot pink here as well. And then I've got a little tiny bit of this. It's like barely pink, guys, barely. I've got a little bit of this orangey tone. So that is giving me lots and lots of puppies. All right, let me get the sequins on. I want to get some tangled thread in here. I want to get some sequins in here. And I'll come back and show you the finished layout. All right, so that is my finished layout. I've got my wood veneer in there. I've got little sequins going on, a little bit of tangled thread, and a lot more going on with this than I thought, considering I just had scraps. Now I just have scraps of scraps. So that's what I have for you guys today. I will go ahead and have a few still shots to follow. Guys, I'm almost done with this series. I'm so excited. What I'm gonna do, like with my scraps of my kits and all that, is we're gonna go through what we have left. I'm gonna do some base pages with them and yeah, wrap all of this up shortly. But guys, thanks for coming along with the journey. Still shots to follow. Bye guys.